What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to install and set up Openclaw. Openclaw lets you connect AI models like Anthropic's Claude to messaging platforms such as Telegram. So firstly, after installing and opening Openclaw, you'll enter the onboarding mode. You'll be asked to configure your AI provider and communication channel. Choose Anthropic as your model provider. Anthropic powers Claude models used in Openclaw. So all you have to do now is select Anthropic API key as your authentication method. Pass the Anthropic API key when prompted, and you can get your key from console.anthropic.com. Make sure your account has credits added and the key is active. Now you'll be asked to choose a model. Keep the default, which is Claude Opus 4.5, or select another available Claude model. The default option is usually recommended for best performance. Now select Telegram as your communication channel, and you may need a Telegram bot token and to connect to Telegram account. Once configured, Openclaw will be able to send and receive messages via Telegram. Your Openclaw instance is now connected to Anthropic, which is an AI model, and Telegram, which is a communication channel. You can now start using AI-powered automation. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.